Welcome back. In this session, we discuss nature and shape of paraboloids, especially the elliptical paraboloid. Intersection of a line and a paraboloid, equation to the normals, condition of tangency, etc. are going to discuss. After the description of elliptical paraboloids, cone through 6 normals, conjugate diametral planes, etc. are discussing. Paraboloids. The elliptic paraboloid. The locus of the equation x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2z by c, put it as equation 1, is called an elliptic paraboloid. Now, let us discuss the nature and shape of this surface. 1. No point bisects all chords through it, and therefore, there is no center for the surface. 2. The coordinate planes x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 bisect all chords perpendicular to them and are therefore its two planes of symmetry or two principal planes. 3. Z cannot be negative, C being positive, and hence there is no part of the surface below the x or y planes, that is, the surface is above the x of y plane. 4. The section by the plane z equal to k greater than 0 is given by the equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2k by c, z equal to k, which represents an ellipse whose semi-axes are a into square root of 2k by c, b into square root of 2k by c, and whose center lies on the z-axis. It increases in size as k increases, there being no limit to the increase. For k equal to 0, it is a point ellipse. The surface is therefore generated by a variable ellipse parallel to the x or y plane and is consequently called the elliptic paraboloid. Hence, the surface is entirely on the positive side of the x or y plane and extends to infinity. The section of the surface by the plane x equal to k is the parabola whose equations are x equal to k, y square equal to 2b square by c into z minus k square c by 2b square. Thus, the paraboloids also generated by a variable parabola in two different ways. Note: when a equal to b, the surface becomes a paraboloid of revolution formed by revolving the parabola. Y equal to 0, x square equal to 2a square by c into z about the z-axis. Intersection of a line with a paraboloid. To find the points of intersection of the line, x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n is equal to r, say, put it as equation 2. With the paraboloid, ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz, put it as equation 3. The coordinates of any point on 2 are alpha plus Lr, beta plus Mr, gamma plus Nr. If this point lies on equation 3, then a into alpha plus Lr the whole square plus b into beta plus Mr the whole square is equal to 2c into gamma plus Nr, or r square into al square plus bm square plus 2r into a alpha L plus b beta m minus cn plus a alpha square plus b beta square minus 2c gamma is equal to 0. Put it as equation 4. This is quadratic in R and therefore gives two values of R, that is, every line meets a paraboloid in 2 points. If L equal to m equal to 0, then one root of this equation is infinite. Therefore, one point of intersection is at infinity and the other point is at a finite distance. Thus, a line parallel to z-axis meets the paraboloid in one point at an infinite distance from alpha, beta, gamma, and so meets it in one finite point. Only its distance is given by r is equal to a alpha square plus b beta square minus 2c gamma by 2cn. Such a line is called a diameter of the paraboloid, and the point at finite distance is called the extremity of the diameter. A. Tangent lines and tangent plane. If the point alpha beta gamma lies on the surface ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz, we have a alpha square plus b beta square minus 2c gamma is equal to 0, which shows that one root of equation 4 of last article is 0. The other root is also 0 if in addition to it a alpha L plus b beta m minus cn is equal to 0 touches the paraboloid at alpha beta gamma. If we eliminate L, M, N between equation 3 and equation 4, we get the locus of all the tangent lines through alpha beta gamma, which is given by a alpha into x minus alpha plus b beta into y minus beta minus c into z minus gamma is equal to 0, or a alpha x plus b beta y minus c z is equal to a alpha square plus b beta square minus c gamma. That is, a alpha x plus b beta y is equal to c into z plus gamma. This is the equation of the tangent plane at alpha beta gamma to the paraboloid. In particular, z equal to 0 is the tangent plane at the origin and the z axis is the normal. B. Condition of tangency. The condition that the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P may touch the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz is L square by a plus m square by b plus 2np by z is equal to 0, and the point of contact is minus Cl by an minus Cm by bn np by n. Corollary. The plane 2n into Lx plus My plus Nz plus c into L square by a plus m square by b is equal to 0 is a tangent plane to the paraboloid for all values of L, m, n. C. Locus of the point of intersection of the three mutually perpendicular tangent planes. Let the equations of the three mutually perpendicular tangent planes be 2n1 into L1x plus m1y plus n1z is equal to c into L1 square by a plus m1 square by b is equal to 0. 2n2 into L2x plus m2y plus n2z is equal to c into L2 square by a plus m2 square by b is equal to 0, and 2n3 into L3x plus m3y plus n3z is equal to c into L3 square by a plus m3 square by b is equal to 0. Adding these equations, we get 2x into n1 L1 plus n2 L2 plus n3 L3 plus 2y into m1 n1 plus m2 n2 plus m3 n3 plus 2z into n1 square plus n2 square plus n3 square plus c by a into L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square plus c by b into m1 square plus m2 square plus m3 square is equal to 0, or 2z plus c by a plus c by b is equal to 0, or 2z plus c into 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 0, which is the required locus of the point of intersection of three mutually perpendicular tangent planes. This is the plane at right angles to the z axis, the axis of the paraboloid. D. Equations of normal. The tangent plane to the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz at any given point alpha beta gamma is given by a alpha x plus b beta y is equal to c into z plus gamma. Therefore, the equations of normal at alpha beta gamma are x minus alpha by a alpha is equal to y minus beta by b beta is equal to z minus gamma by minus c. E. Normals from a given point. The equations normal at any point alpha beta gamma of the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz are x minus alpha by a alpha is equal to y minus beta by b beta is equal to z minus gamma by minus c. If it passes through the given point x dash y dash z dash, say, then x dash minus alpha by a alpha is equal to y dash minus beta by b beta is equal to z dash minus gamma by minus c is equal to lambda, say. Therefore, alpha is equal to x dash by 1 plus a lambda, beta is equal to y by 1 plus b lambda, gamma is equal to z dash plus c lambda. But alpha beta gamma lies on the paraboloid. Therefore, a is equal to x dash square by 1 plus c lambda square plus b into y dash square by 1 plus b lambda is equal to 2c into z dash plus c lambda. This is an equation of fifth degree in lambda. It follows that there are 5 points on the paraboloid, the normals at which pass through the given point x dash y dash z dash. Thus, in general, 5 normals can be drawn through a given point to a paraboloid. F. Cubic curve through the feet of the normals. If the normal at alpha beta gamma to the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz passes through a given point x dash y dash z dash, we have as above: alpha is equal to x dash by 1 plus a lambda, beta is equal to y dash by 1 plus b lambda, gamma is equal to z dash plus c lambda. Thus, the feet of the normals lie on the curve. Its parametric equations is given by x equal to x dash by 1 plus a lambda, y equal to y dash by 1 plus b lambda, z equal to z dash plus c lambda. Put it as equation 5, where lambda is a parameter. The point where this curve meets any given plane, say ux plus vy plus wz plus d equal to 0, put it as equation 6, are given by ux dash by 1 plus a lambda plus vy dash by 1 plus b lambda plus w into z dash plus c lambda plus d is equal to 0. This is a cubic in lambda, giving 3 values of lambda. Therefore, the plane 6 meets the curve 5 in 3 points, and hence it follows that the curve is a cubic curve. G. Count through the 5 normals. If the normal at alpha beta gamma to the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz passes through x dash y dash z dash, then alpha is equal to x dash by 1 plus a lambda, beta is equal to y dash by 1 plus b lambda, gamma is equal to z dash plus c lambda. Also, the direction cosines of the normal at alpha beta gamma are proportional to a alpha b beta minus c. If the line x minus x dash by L is equal to y minus y dash by m is equal to z minus z dash by n, put it as equation 7, is a normal at alpha beta gamma, then L by a alpha is equal to m by b beta is equal to n by minus c, or L into 1 plus a lambda by ax dash is equal to m into 1 plus b lambda by by dash is equal to n by minus c, or L into 1 by a plus lambda by x dash is equal to m into 1 by b plus lambda by y dash is equal to n by minus c, or 1 by a plus lambda by x dash by L is equal to 1 by b plus lambda by y dash by m is equal to n by minus c is equal to 1 by a minus 1 by b by x dash by L minus y dash by m. Hence, n into x dash by L minus y dash by m is equal to minus c into 1 by a minus 1 by b, or x dash by L minus y dash by m plus c by n into 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 0. Therefore, the locus of the normal 7 is x by x minus x dash minus y by y minus y dash plus c by z minus z dash into b minus a by ab is equal to 0, which is the equation of a cone. Hence, the 5 normals from x dash y dash z dash to the paraboloid are generators of this cone. H. The polar plane of a point. Using the definition and notations, we have AR is equal to 2 into AP into AQ by AP plus AQ. That is, rho is equal to minus A alpha square plus B beta square minus 2C gamma by A alpha L plus B beta M minus Cn. That is, A rho alpha L plus B rho beta M minus C rho N is equal to minus of A alpha square plus B beta square minus 2C gamma. Put it as equation 8. Let the coordinates of R be x dash y dash z dash. Then x dash minus alpha by L is equal to y dash minus beta by M is equal to z dash minus gamma by N is equal to rho. Therefore, L rho is equal to x dash minus alpha, M rho is equal to y dash minus beta, N rho is equal to z dash minus gamma. Hence, equation 8 becomes A alpha into x dash minus alpha plus B beta into y dash minus beta minus C into z dash minus gamma is equal to minus A alpha square plus B beta square minus 2C gamma, or A alpha x dash plus B beta y dash minus C into z dash plus gamma is equal to 0. Therefore, the locus of R is A alpha x plus B beta y is equal to C into z plus gamma, which is the polar plane of alpha beta gamma with respect to the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz. I. Polar lines. The polar plane of any point alpha plus Lr, beta plus Mr, gamma plus Nr, x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by M is equal to z minus gamma by N is equal to R is A into alpha plus Lr into x plus b into beta plus Mr into y is equal to c into z plus gamma plus Nr, or A alpha x plus b beta y minus cz minus cy plus r into ALX plus BMY minus Cn is equal to 0. This plane for all values of r passes through the line of intersection of the planes A alpha x plus b beta y is equal to c into z plus gamma and ALX plus BMY is equal to Cn. These equations determine the polar of the given line. J. Section with a given center. If alpha beta gamma be the middle point of the chord whose equations are x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by M is equal to z minus gamma by N, that is A alpha L plus b beta M minus Cn is equal to 0. Hence, locus of all chords which are bisected at alpha beta gamma is the plane A alpha into x minus alpha plus b beta into y minus beta minus c into z minus gamma is equal to 0. This can be put in the form T is equal to S1, where T and S1 have their usual meaning. K. Locus of midpoint of a system of parallel chords. Let x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n. Put it as equation 9. Be a chord parallel to a fixed line x by L is equal to y by m is equal to z by n. If alpha beta gamma is the middle point of the chord 9, then as before we have a alpha L plus b beta m minus Cn is equal to 0. It follows that the midpoint of all such chords lie in the plane a alpha x plus b m y minus Cn is equal to 0, which is parallel to the z-axis, the axis of the paraboloid. The plane is called the diametral plane conjugate to the given direction. Conjugate diametral planes. We have already discussed in that the plane ALX plus BMY minus Cn is equal to 0, put it as equation 10, is the diameter plane of the line, say OP. X by L is equal to y by m is equal to z by n. With respect to the paraboloid, ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz. If OQ is another line whose equations are x by L dash is equal to y by m dash is equal to z by n dash and is parallel to the diametral plane 10 of OP, then we have ALL dash plus BMM dash is equal to 0. Put it as equation 11. The symmetry of this result shows that OP is parallel to the diametral plane of OQ and therefore the diametral plane of OP and OQ are conjugate to each other. Thus, if D1 and D2 be two diametral planes such that D1 is parallel to the chords bisected by the plane D2, then D2 is parallel to the chords bisected by D1. Two such planes are called conjugate diametral planes. Equation 11 is the condition that the lines ALX plus BMY is equal to 0, z minus k is equal to 0 and AL dash x plus BM dash y is equal to 0, z minus k is equal to 0 should be conjugate diameters of the conic ax square plus by square is equal to 2k. Hence, any plane meets a pair conjugate diameter planes of a paraboloid in lines which are parallel to conjugate diameters of the conic in which the plane meets the surface. Example 1. Two perpendicular tangent planes to the paraboloid x square by a plus y square by b is equal to 2z intersect in straight line lying in the plane x equal to 0. Show that the line touches the parabola x equal to 0, y square is equal to a plus b into 2z plus a. Solution. Equation of any line in the plane x equal to 0 can be taken. X equal to 0, my plus nz is equal to p. Any plane through this line is my plus nz minus p plus lambda x is equal to 0 or lambda x plus my plus nz minus p is equal to 0. Put it as equation 12. If this is a tangent plane to the paraboloid x square by a plus y square by b is equal to 2z, then a lambda square plus bm square plus 2np is equal to 0. Put it as equation 13. This is quadratic in lambda and therefore gives the values lambda 1, lambda 2 and thus two tangent planes through the line 9. That is, also the two tangent planes are lambda 1 x plus my plus nz minus p is equal to 0 and lambda 2 x plus my plus nz minus p is equal to 0. These planes are perpendicular if lambda 1 lambda 2 plus m square plus n square is equal to 0. That is, bm square plus 2np by a plus m square plus n square equal to 0 or a plus b into m square plus 2np plus an square is equal to 0. Put it as equation 14. Now, the required parabola is the envelope of the line 10 subject to the condition 14. Eliminating p between 9 and 14, we have a plus b into m square plus 2n into my plus nz plus an square is equal to 0, x equal to 0 or a plus b into m square plus 2mny plus a plus 2z into n square is equal to 0, x equal to 0 or a plus b into m by n the whole square plus 2y into m by n plus a plus 2z is equal to 0, x equal to 0. This is quadratic in the parameter m by n. Therefore, the envelope of the line is given by 2y square minus 4 into a plus b into a plus 2z is equal to 0, x equal to 0 or y square equal to a plus b into a plus 2z, x equal to 0, which is a parabola. Example 2. Find the locus of the point of intersection of three mutually perpendicular tangent planes to the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz. Solution. The plane Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p touches the paraboloid ax square plus by square is equal to 2cz when L square by a plus m square by b plus 2np by c is equal to 0 or p is equal to c by minus 2n into L square by a plus m square by b. By By putting the value of p, the plane reduces to Lx plus my plus nz plus c by 2n into L square by a plus m square by b is equal to 0, or 2n into Lx plus my plus nz plus c into Lr square by a plus mr square by b is equal to 0, r equal to 1, 2, 3. Since the three planes and hence their normals are mutually perpendiculars, we have L1 square plus m1 square plus n1 square is equal to 1, L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square is equal to 1, etc. L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2 equal to 0, L1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus L3 m3 is equal to 0, etc. The locus of the point of intersection is obtained by eliminating Lr, Mr, Nr from the equations of these planes. 4. We add these three planes obtained by putting r equal to 1, 2, 3 and use the above relations. Thus, we get 2 into n1 square plus n2 square plus n3 square into z plus c into L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square by a plus m1 square plus m2 square plus m3 square by b is equal to 0, or 2z plus c into 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 0. This is the required plane. Example 3. Find the condition that the paraboloids x square by a1 square plus y square by b1 square is equal to 2z by c1, x square by a2 square plus y square by b2 square is equal to 2z by c2, x square by a3 square plus y square by b3 square is equal to 2z by c3 may have a common tangent plane. Solution. Let the common tangent plane be Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p. It will be a tangent plane to the given paraboloids if L square a1 square plus m square b1 square plus 2 np c1 is equal to 0, L square a2 square plus m square b2 square plus 2 np c2 is equal to 0, L square a3 square plus m square b3 square plus 2 np c3 is equal to 0. Eliminating the unknown L square, m square and 2 np, we get the required condition as determinant a1 square b1 square c1, a2 square b2 square c2, a3 square b3 square c3 is equal to 0. Count through the 6 normals. To show that the 6 normals from any point x dash y dash z dash to the conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1 lie on a cone of the second degree. If the normal at alpha beta gamma to the given conicoid passes through x dash y dash z dash, then alpha is equal to x dash by 1 plus a lambda, beta is equal to y dash by 1 plus b lambda, gamma is equal to z dash by 1 plus c lambda. Also, the direction cosines of the normal are proportional to a alpha, b beta, c gamma. Let the equations of the normal from x dash y dash z dash be x minus x dash by L is equal to y minus y dash by m is equal to z minus z dash by n. Put it as equation 15. So that L equal to a alpha is equal to ax dash by 1 plus a lambda, m equal to b beta is equal to by dash by 1 plus b lambda, n equal to c gamma is equal to z dash by 1 plus c lambda. Therefore, 1 plus a lambda is equal to ax dash by L. Put it as equation 16. 1 plus b lambda is equal to by dash by m. Put it as equation 17. And 1 plus c lambda is equal to c z dash by n. Put it as equation 18. Now, multiplying 16 by b minus c, 17 by c minus a and 18 by a minus b and adding, we get 0 is equal to ax dash into b minus c by L plus by dash into c minus a by m plus c z dash into a minus b by n. This shows that the normal 15 is a generator of the cone ax dash into b minus c by x minus x dash plus by dash into c minus a by y minus y dash plus c z dash into a minus b by z minus z dash is equal to 0. Hence, the 6 normals from x dash y dash z dash to the conicoids lie on a cone of second degree. Example 4. If p q r and p dash q dash r dash are the feet of the 6 normals from a point to the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1 and the plane PQR is given by Lx plus my plus nz equal to p, then the plane p dash q dash r dash is given by x by a square L plus y by b square m plus z by c square n plus 1 by p is equal to 0. Solution. Let the equation of the plane p dash q dash r dash be L dash x plus m dash y plus n dash z is equal to p dash. Then the feet of the 6 normals from any given point x dash y dash z dash lie on the locus given by the equation. Lx plus my plus nz minus p into L dash x plus m dash y plus n dash z minus p dash is equal to 0. Put it as equation 19. Let alpha beta gamma be a foot of the normals from any given point x dash y dash z dash. Therefore, x dash minus alpha by a square is equal to y dash minus beta by b square is equal to z dash minus gamma by c square is equal to lambda, say. Therefore, alpha is equal to a square x dash by a square plus lambda, beta is equal to b square y dash by b square plus beta, gamma is equal to c square z dash by c square plus lambda. But alpha, beta, gamma lie on the given ellipsoid. Therefore, a square x dash by a square plus lambda the whole square plus b square y dash by b square plus lambda the whole square plus c square z dash by c square plus lambda the whole square is equal to 1. This equation, being a 6th degree equation in lambda, gives 6 values of lambda corresponding to the 6 feet of the normals. Also, putting the values of alpha, beta, gamma in the equation, we get a square x dash L by a square plus lambda plus b square y dash m by b square plus lambda plus c square z dash n by c square plus lambda minus p into a square x dash L dash by a square plus lambda plus b square y dash m dash by b square plus lambda plus c square z dash n dash by c square plus lambda minus p dash is equal to 0. Put it as equation 20. This is also 6th degree equation in lambda, gives 6 values of lambda corresponding to the 6 feet of the normals. Hence, equations 19 and 20 are identical. Therefore, comparing coefficients of like terms in 19 and 20, we get a raised to 4 L dash by a square is equal to b raised to 4 m dash by b square is equal to c raised to 4 n dash by c square is equal to minus p dash by L, or r is equal to minus p dash by a square L, m dash is equal to minus p dash b square m, n dash is equal to minus p dash by c square n. Substituting these values of L dash, m dash, n dash, the equation of the plane p dash q dash r dash becomes minus of minus p dash by a square L into x minus p dash by b square m into y minus p dash by c square n into z minus p dash is equal to 0, or x by a square L plus y by b square m plus z by z square n plus 1 by p is equal to 0. Now, it is time to summarize the session. In this session, we discussed in detail the paraboloids, its nature and shape, some of the properties like intersection of a line with a paraboloid, equation of normals, condition of tangency, etc. are discussed. Count through 6 normals, conjugate diametral planes are the other topics we discussed. Before moving to next session, let us try these questions. 1. Find the equation of the normal at 4, 3, 5 on the paraboloid x square by 2 minus x square by 3 is equal to z. 2. Find the tangent plane to the paraboloid x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2z by c at the point alpha, beta, gamma. 3. Find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface 2x square minus 5y square is equal to 10z. Thank you for watching this session. See you next time. Until then, bye.